Hey there, Tiffany Thomas with wealthytiffany.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make an easy $10 just by doing your normal shopping. And before we dive in, if you guys are ready for financial freedom right now, I want you to comment freedom below in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that little bell to get notified on when I post new videos. And don't forget to like and share this video. And if you guys really are ready for financial freedom, and if you want to stop trading time for money, I want you to click the link below this video and I show you the best way that I have been able to make my money work for me so I can stop trading time for dollars. All right, so let's dive in. I want to share with you how you can make an easy $10 just by doing your normal shopping. And this is with the Ebates app. It is a free app that you can download, and all you need to do is link your credit card to the app, and you can start earning cash back on purchases that you spend at different stores that are affiliated with Ebates. And there's a lot of stores, even big stores like Walmart and Target, Macy's. I'll show you a whole list in just a moment. I'll do a little tutorial for you. But I just wanted to share exactly how this works. So once you have the app downloaded, and you can use my referral link in the description below this video, and that will give you $10 when you make your first $25 purchase at any store that Ebates works with. So it's really simple. You can do your normal shopping. You can even do it online, or you can go in store, either way, and just make at least a $25 purchase, which I'm sure you do that all the time, buying necessities like toilet paper or whatever it might be. But you just need to make that purchase, and if you're doing it online, just go through the app first and make your purchase, and then if you're doing it in store, just make sure you've already linked your credit card in the app and enabled the in-store app purchase to work. And it's very simple. So you can earn $10. You'll get a free $10 once you make your first $25 purchase. So super simple. Let me show you a quick tutorial on Ebates. Okay, this is what the Ebates app looks like, just a little green box. And once you open it, this is what it will look like. So it will show you all of the deals that they have available and what the cashback amount is. So you can see they have Amazon, Macy's, JCPenney, Expedia, Groupon, Lululemon, Jet, House, Gap, Petco, Forever 21, Pier 1, Holiday Inn. So they have different hotels, they have Under Armour, and they all say how much cash back they're offering right now. Party City, there's just plenty of options. They have Cabela's, and you can search for a certain store if you're curious. And you can even see they have Walmart, Kohl's, and let's see if they have Target. So I'll type in Target. And so that pulls up Target, and they say up to 1% cash back. And you can see different products that they have and what they have the cash back available on. You can also click on your own referral link. So you will have your own referral link, and once someone uses yours and spends at least $25, then you'll get $25. So that's even a better deal. So when you sign up, you'll originally get that $10, and then you can get $25 when people use your link. And here's just some in-store offers. So you can do online or in-store. So there's plenty of options, as you can see here. And let's just do an example. So I'm going to click on Cabela's, and this is if I wanted to make a purchase online in Cabela's. And you can see they're offering 3% cash back. And so you just click on that, and then it pulls up the Cabela's website, and you can just search for whatever it is you want to purchase at Cabela's. And you can click on their deals, and it will show you what deals they have going on. And then you can just choose an item that you want to purchase. Say if I wanted to purchase one of these jackets, then I would just click on that, and it shows how much cash back you'll earn. And you can also click on your settings So you can see your cashback balance, and if you've received big fat checks, you can see what amounts you've received in the checks. And you can click on credit cards and enter your credit card, and you can see right underneath that you'll want to enable that credit card. That is enabled before you go shopping, and that way when you purchase in store, it will automatically know which credit card is hooked to your Ebates and give you the cash back. So pretty easy to use. You just have to set it up, enable your credit cards, and if you want to do online shopping, just make sure and open the app and go shopping directly in the app. And that's how you get cash back and free money. Okay, hopefully that was helpful and it made sense. So you can just download the app using my referral link in the description below. And once you make your first purchase of $25 at any one of those stores that you saw, then you will earn $10. And you can link that to your PayPal account, or you can have a check mailed to you. And if you link it to your PayPal account, they send it, they'll start sending you money when it is $5 or more, so $5.01 or above that. So once you've reached that threshold, they'll send you money to your PayPal account. So that's really easy to do once you've made your first $25 purchase, because you'll instantly get $10 back if you used my referral link below. And hopefully this is helpful, and it's just an easy way to make $10 really quickly. And if you guys are tired of trading time for dollars, and you would rather have your money work for you instead of you working for your money all the time, make sure and click the link below this video, because that is how I have been able to easily make my money work for me, and it's really not hard. Yeah, so I just share the best way that I've been able to do that. And you guys make sure and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm posting lots of great videos for you. And don't forget to like and share this video with someone who wants this information. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.